I thought I'd have a little fun in the shop today and quiz you viewers on your knowledge on these 1970s era Mercedes V8 engines. This is a 3.8 liter V8 in a 380 SL. Over here I have a 4.5 liter V8 in this 300 STL 4.5. So here's the question. I get one of these emails about 2 times a month and I need your help, okay? Maybe you can help answer this. This person writes, I recently purchased a 450 SEL with 112,000 miles. Car was parked for a couple years. Was running, already replaced the injectors, the fuel pump, the filter, the fuel rail. Tried to adjust the fuel throttle with help of my regular shop, but the car is still feeling underpowered. Engine revs good when in park, but revs stay low when driving. I'm certain the car needs some new vacuum and fuel system lines. Probably the fuel accumulator or maybe the fuel tank screen. While checking on your website for what I would need for the above work, I came across engine valve adjustment video. I'm positive the car has never had a valve adjustment in all the years, and some of the symptoms I experienced are listed here. Thought if I had to do this, it might take care of a bunch of these problems. Okay, how do you know if one of these old V8s needs a valve adjustment? Not all of them had adjustable valves. I'm going to take you over now and show you the 4.5 in that W109 chassis. Take a close look at it. And then I'm going to bring you over here and show you a close-up of this 380 SL engine. And I want you to tell me, how do you know which engine needs a valve adjustment? After I get replies, I'll report back in a week or so and give you my take on this.